Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to extract or evacuate in Sand. If you're carrying valuable loot and want to make it home safely, you'll need to know how the extraction system works. To extract, look for the door icons scattered around the map. These mark the evacuation zones. Make your way to one of these locations, but stay alert since other players may also be heading there and could try to steal your loot. Once you're near the extraction point, you'll spot two large signal towers in the distance. Drive your trampler between them and continue forward. When you're about 100 meters away, a waypoint will appear. Head to the tower marked by the waypoint and climb to the top. You'll find a radio there. Interact with it to call for extraction. After activating the radio, a timer will begin and your trampler will start emitting green smoke to mark the extraction point. During this time, you're still vulnerable to enemy players, so keep watch for threats while you wait. Once the first timer finishes, the extraction ship will arrive and begin preparing to pick up your trampler. A second countdown will appear while the ship gets into position. When the message "Ready for evacuation" appears, you can either wait for the countdown to finish or jump off your trampler and use the extraction ropes marked by the waypoints to leave immediately. Just remember, until your trampler has actually been extracted, you're still at risk. Stay alert until the evacuation is complete, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.